Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Saudi Arabia Stitch and Text Show, and this is the booth of Nexia, the laundry smart evolution, featuring one of the best machines on the market, the ND17 dyeing machine, featuring wave water recycling system, neo zone generators, and drop double nebulizer system, next stone free abrasive bars. The future of textile is here. Please give a closer look at this magnificent Italian innovation by Nexia. Water consumption reduced by 85%, chemicals reduced by 87%, and energy reduced by 50%. Altogether, the laundry smart evolution by Nexia.